Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change number in WhatsApp. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your WhatsApp account, head over to the three dots menu on the upper right corner and tap on settings. Here you have to click on account. Then tap on change number and tap on next. Here you have to enter your old phone number with your country code, and the new phone number you want to add will be entered in here. And after you click next, there will be a new SMS that will be sent to your new phone number that you have given, and in that SMS there will be a code or a verification code. You have to enter your code in your WhatsApp account and your number will be changed. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.